Hello and welcome to everyone. First of all, thanks for taking the course. I am Shuman Ahmed with you. Hi, today I will show you how to make object detector and motion sensor controller by Arduino. Here I used one-piece object detector sensor, one-piece motion sensor, one-piece resistor for LED, one-piece LED, one-piece buzzer, and some connecting wire. Before we start circuit design, let's see the program code, step by step. Declared a variable name as input, and assigned to, because Arduino 2-number pin used for input signal from sensor. Declare another variable named state, for store the sensor condition. Then declared more two variable, one is LED, and another is buzzer, for output signal, when case any signal from sensor. Then I configured the pin mode, the input variable used for receive the sensor signal. So, it's an input. Then another LED and buzzer are used for output. So pin mode configured as output. Then moved in the main part of this projects, in the loop function, first I store the input signal into state variable, by using digital read instruction. The second part is, we should check the state condition, and tell to Arduino, what to do, if logic becomes true. So while result becomes true, then the Arduino, turn on the LED, and the buzzer by digital write instruction. And hold this statement 3000 milliseconds. Also need to tell, to Arduino, if result become false, then Arduino turn off the LED, and the buzzer. Let's design the circuit. The schematic circuit diagram, you can see, here I connected, LED, and buzzer with 12, and 13 number Arduino pin. And 2-number pin connected with object sensor output pin. Plus 5 voltage connected to sensor power input pin, and connected ground pin to ground. Let's see practical circuit. Let's check by motion sensor. I just connecting motion sensor instead of object detector sensor. Let's practical project design. Here also same, I just replace the connection with motion sensor. Hi guys, hope you enjoys my lecture. Please let me tells your opinions. And if you really enjoys this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watch.